What happens to your body? When you start intermittent fasting. Intermittent fasting, IF, isn't just a trendy diet, it's a metabolic shift. Defined as a pattern of eating that cycles between periods of fasting and eating, IF taps into ancient biological mechanisms designed for survival. Whether it's the popular 16.8 method, 16 hours fasting, 8 hours eating, or alternate day fasting, the science behind it is compelling. Metabolic switch, from glucose to ketones. In a typical fed state, your body relies on glucose from carbohydrates for energy. But after 8-12 hours of fasting, insulin levels drop and the body initiates lipolysis, breaking down triglycerides into free fatty acids. These are converted into ketone bodies, V-hydroxybutyrate acetoacetate, which become the brain's backup fuel. This metabolic switch enhances mitochondrial efficiency and reduces oxidative stress. Hormonal symphony fasting triggers a cascade of hormonal changes. Insulin levels decrease, improving insulin sensitivity and reducing fat storage. Glucagon rises to promote glycogenolysis and gluconeogenesis. Growth hormone, GH, surges to preserve lean muscle and stimulate fat metabolism. Norepinephrine increases alertness and mobilizes fat stores. These shifts explain why many people report mental clarity and stable energy during fasting. Autophagy, cellular housekeeping. Autophagy, from Greek auto, self, and phagy, on eating, is a cellular recycling process. During fasting, nutrient scarcity activates AMPK and inhibits mTOR, mechanistic target of rapamycin, triggering autophagy. Damaged organelles and misfolded proteins are degraded, reducing inflammation and possibly delaying aging. Think of it as spring cleaning for your cells. Body composition, fat loss without muscle loss. Unlike calorie restriction, IF preserves lean mass. Studies show that fasting elevates GH and maintains resting energy expenditure. In real life, this means shedding belly fat while keeping strength, ideal for busy professionals or parents juggling work and workouts. Gene expression and longevity. Fasting influences sirtuins, SIRT1, FOXO transcription factors, and PGC1A, which regulate stress resistance, mitochondrial biogenesis, and DNA repair. These molecular adaptations mimic effects seen in caloric restriction models linked to lifespan extension. Brain benefits, neuroplasticity and mood. Ketones aren't just fuel, they're signaling molecules. Hydroxybutyrate enhances BDNF, brain-derived neurotrophic factor, supporting neuroplasticity and resilience. Anecdotally, many report reduced brain fog and improved mood. It's like upgrading your mental operating system. Real-life twist. Hunger isn't the enemy. Surprisingly, hunger often fades after a few days. Ghrelin, the hunger hormone, adapts to new eating patterns. Drinking water, black coffee, or herbal tea helps. And when you do eat, meals feel more satisfying, like finally enjoying dinner after a long day. Caveats and considerations. F isn't for everyone. People with diabetes, eating disorders, or pregnant women should consult healthcare professionals. Also, fasting doesn't mean feasting. Nutrient-dense meals matter. Think salmon, leafy greens, nuts, not just skipping breakfast and binging on pizza. Conclusion. A biological reset. Intermittent fasting is more than skipping meals. It's a strategic pause that activates ancient survival pathways. From cellular cleanup to brain boosts, it's a science-backed way to align modern life with evolutionary biology. And the best part? You don't need fancy supplements, just a clock and a little patience. Ready to give your metabolism a mindful break? Your mitochondria will thank you.